Welcome to day 11 of the Advent Journal Challenge, and today's prompt is joy. What kind of joy do you want more of? If you haven't joined the journal challenge already, then you can still sign up at any time using the link below in the description, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So you take care. Bye bye.